Are you struggling with pricing or how to shop trade, or you're thinking you might want to go to the market, but you don't know where to shop or who to connect with? Well, guess what? I've got answers for you. I've got answers for you in this workshop all about pricing and shopping so that you have some solid and serious direction when it comes to starting your staging, if you're thinking about doing that, or your design business, because you really should be doing both right now. I always teach that. And I will tell you, these are the best vendors. These are the ones you want to connect with. These are the kind of deals you can get. I'll show you some photos. And Market and High Point, those are the places to be. I just talked to somebody who's going through like a standard interior design online course, and they didn't even give them that information, which broke my heart, because how else are they going to connect with the trade? That's the value of where they're at. And how do they use, this is what I'm going to show you. How do you use your trade discounts at vendors to make money doing design for clients? So if you ever thought or wondered if you could start a staging and design business because you had a passion for design, this is your thing, that your friends and family always ask you to do this for them, and you've been redesigning rooms since you were a kid, guess what? I've got the secret sauce for you. I will walk you through it. I'm gonna give you a taste of it in my workshop, but in all honesty, the secret sauce is in my trainings, but that's okay. Come to my workshop. I'm gonna give you my secret to pricing on the fly, 2 minutes for any vacant home, for vacant stagers, because a lot of people are confused. And by the way, it's not about your overhead and your expenses, because an agent doesn't care if your expenses are through the roof and another stager's aren't. You know, that doesn't really compete. I'm going to show you how you can compete. So I know I was ranting a little bit, but I've been through a lot of pricing trainings, and I don't think they're the solution for you. And yes, you need to, it is about what you make, but you need to lower that. And I show you how to lower that. That's why this workshop goes together, because part of lowering your expenses is shopping for inventory that is very affordable. And so I'm going to show you that combination in this workshop. You're going to love it. We're going to talk pricing. We're going to talk inventory, your biggest expense, so we can lower your expense, so you can price competitively and you can make money. And most importantly, it's not just about price, because, you know, people kind of get it. I don't want to go to Walmart for that table. I might want to go to Restoration Hardware. It's about positioning. So I'm going to show you all 3 things in a nutshell. It's a short training. You're going to get the whole works in my big training, but in the short training, you will not want to miss it. I'll see you there.